Geomembranes are geosynthetic materials that have been used for over 60 years for environmental containment, including the lining of lagoons for wastewater, storage ponds for process water, irrigation, and even drinking water. For too long, civil engineers and designers have specified heavy and rigid high-density polyethylene geomembranes for these applications, even though advances in manufacturing have produced innovative geomembrane alternatives. Fabricated geomembranes are manufactured to the same quality standards as traditional geomembranes and are often higher performing than conventional HDPE in their resistance to damage from tears and punctures. Yet fabricated geomembranes are lighter, more flexible geomembranes that have the unique advantage of their ability to be welded or fabricated in factory conditions to a large custom panel size and then folded and re-rolled for delivery to the job site. Welding in factory conditions results in higher quality seams than field welded seams and saves significant time in installation.
Seaming in the factory versus field is better for a lot of reasons. First, the welding is undertaken under controlled conditions, constant temperature, constant wind, little if any dirt in the seam. So the welder can be set at one temperature and held there. Versus in the field, it has to be adjusted for weather conditions, changes in cloud cover, sunlight as the sheet heats up. Another important advantage in the factory is the welder operates on a concrete floor, so it has a very hard, firm subgrade to facilitate the welding process. And the benefit of all that is more consistent seams and higher strength seams in both shear strength and peel strength.
Once delivered to the job site, a fabricated geomembrane panel is very easy to deploy and install. Panels can be fabricated to almost 1 acre in size and then are unrolled and pulled across the coverage area. Pond liners can be designed to maximize the size and shape of custom factory welded panels to save costly time and labor in the field. Factory welded seams lead to higher quality installations by minimizing the need for field seaming and testing. And the same application that must be entirely field welded using conventional HDPE can be finished in a fraction of the time by using a fabricated geomembrane.
For example, the first panel here, it consists of 15 prefabricated panels, which would have been 15 seams that would have had to be performed in the field, which might have taken a full day with all the seaming and detailing, which in this application took about a half an hour to install. So very significant cost savings in that regard.
There are many applications that can benefit from fabricated geomembranes: aquaculture, stormwater detention, drinking water reservoirs, oil and gas process water storage, and municipal wastewater treatment are some great examples.
Fabricated geomembrane gives you the larger panels, 15 to 30,000 square feet or above, depending on the thickness. It minimizes your field seams 10 to 1 most times, versus like a 23-foot wide sheet of HD or something like that. Your QC, QA is just cut by 5 times basically. Testing one seam every half acre versus 8 or 10 seams.
To learn more about fabricated geomembranes, visit fabricatedgeomembrane.com. And remember, you can have higher quality welds, faster installations, and more cost savings when you factory fabricate first.